The story of Lord SHREE Jagannath, MAA Subhadra and Balabhadra.
Jai Jagannath. The name Jagannath is a combination of two Sanskrit words, Jagat meaning universe and Nath meaning Lord. Thus, Jagannath translates to Lord of the Universe. In the Hindu religion, Jagannath is a deity worshipped in regional traditions, particularly in the eastern Indian state of Odisha. He is considered a form of Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu, and is often depicted with his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra. The Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha, is one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites for Hindus. The annual Rath Yatra festival, where the deities are pulled on chariots through the streets of Puri, is a major event attracting millions of devotees. The unique feature of the Jagannath cult is the dark, rounded wooden idols of the deities, which are replaced every 12 or 19 years in a secret ritual called Navayatra. The mythology surrounding Jagannath is rich and varied, with stories about his origin, his association with different avatars of Vishnu, and his role in protecting the universe. The worship of Jagannath is a blend of Vaishnava, Shaiva, and Shakta traditions, reflecting the syncretic nature of Hinduism in Odisha.
MAA Subhadra is a revered Hindu goddess, particularly worshipped in Odisha, India. She is the younger sister of Lord Krishna and Balarama. MAA Subhadra is the beloved sister of Lord Krishna and Balarama, wife of Arjuna. She is married to Arjuna, a prominent warrior of the Mahabharata, mother of Abhimanyu. Their son, Abhimanyu, was a skilled warrior who tragically died during the Kurukshetra war. Incarnation of Goddess Durga. MAA Subhadra is considered an incarnation of Goddess Durga, embodying strength, compassion, and grace. Central figure in Jagannath Puri temple. She is one of the three main deities worshipped at the Jagannath Puri temple in Odisha, alongside Lord Jagannath Krishna and Balabhadra. Symbol of love and devotion, MAA Subhadra represents love, devotion, and the bond between siblings. Empowerment of women. She is a powerful female deity who embodies strength and courage. MAA Subhadra plays a significant role in Odia culture and traditions, especially during the Rath Yatra festival in Puri. Balabhadra, also known as Balarama, is a significant Hindu deity, particularly revered in the Jagannath tradition. He is the elder brother of Lord Krishna and considered an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is considered an incarnation of Sheshanag, the serpent upon which Lord Vishnu rests. Symbol of strength and agriculture. Balabhadra is often depicted holding a plough and a mace, symbolizing his strength and association with agriculture. Part of the Jagannath Trinity. He is one of the three main deities worshipped at the Jagannath Puri temple in Odisha, alongside Lord Jagannath Krishna and Devi Subhadra. Balabhadra is seen as a protector and supporter, especially of the Jagannath Trinity. He embodies strength, courage, and the power of nature. Agricultural significance. His association with agriculture makes him an important deity for farmers. Rath Yatra festival. Central figure. Balabhadra is a central figure in the annual Rath Yatra festival in Puri, where his chariot is pulled alongside the chariots of Lord Jagannath and Devi Subhadra. In essence, Lord Balabhadra is a revered deity who embodies strength, protection, and the power of nature. His significance lies in his role as the elder brother of Lord Krishna, his association with agriculture, and his central place in the Jagannath tradition.